In the bustling heart of America, where dreams chase sunsets from New York skyscrapers to California beaches, love often feels like a fleeting spark, bright, then gone. The video, Proven Ways to Make Any Woman Miss You Badly, unveils a profound truth. True longing isn't forced. It's cultivated through mystery, space, and genuine connection, turning indifference into an aching desire. This isn't manipulation, it's the emotional artistry of absence, stirring the soul's deepest cravings for what once lit it up. For every American man who stared at a silent phone, heart heavy with unspoken hopes, these lessons offer redemption, a path to make her heart echo yours. Imagine her eyes lingering on you across a crowded bar in Nashville, not because you spilled your life story, but because you held back just enough to spark curiosity. The video stresses being a little mysterious in those first electric interactions, revealing glimpses of your world without laying it all bare. This isn't games. It's the thrill of discovery, like the suspense in a Hollywood romance where the hero's secrets pull her closer. In our fast-paced lives, from Wall Street grind to Silicon Valley hustle, women crave that enigma, a man who's an open book with hidden chapters. When you vanish into the shadows of your own adventures, her mind replays those fragments, weaving fantasies that make your absence burn. Hearts ache not for the known, but for the tantalizing unknown, turning casual glances into sleepless nights of wonder. Picture the vast American plains, where distance breeds depth, much like the space you must give her to truly miss you. Constant presence smothers. The video warns against bombarding her with texts or hovering every moment, urging thoughtful check-ins instead of floods. In a nation of endless highways, this space mirrors road trips alone, where solitude amplifies memories of shared laughter. She needs room to feel the void, to let your voice echo in quiet evenings by the fire, or your touch haunt her dreams under starry Midwest skies. Without it, familiarity breeds fade. With it, every reunion ignites like 4th of July fireworks. This emotional breathing room transforms indifference into obsession, her heart racing to fill the gap you wisely left. Words can be weapons of the heart, and the video's call to master banter creates conversations she'll replay endlessly, missing the wit that made her laugh until tears flowed. In American culture, from stand-up comedy clubs in Chicago to flirty barbecues in Texas, playful exchange builds unbreakable bonds. She'll crave that electric spark when it's gone. Create inside jokes unique to your shared moments, turning ordinary texts into treasures she pores over alone. This isn't surface chatter, it's soul-stirring dialogue that imprints you on her psyche, making silence scream your name. When banter fades, her world dims, pulling her back like a moth to your flame, even if she started cold. The pinnacle of longing blooms from peaks of joy you craft together, dates that sear into memory, like sunset picnics in golden hour LA or spontaneous dances in rainy Seattle streets. The video implies these highs make your absence a chasm, her mind replaying the magic, hungry for more. In America's tapestry of adventure, from Grand Canyon hikes to Broadway nights, these aren't just outings, they're emotional anchors. Cook her a meal that tastes like home, whisper secrets under city lights, or surprise her with gestures that scream irreplaceable. When life dulls without you, she'll miss not just the man, but the version of herself she becomes beside you, vibrant, alive, utterly captivated. Yet, beneath tactics lies raw vulnerability. Making her miss you demands you first embody the man worth missing, confident, alive, unneedy. Even if she's not into you initially, as the video promises, these steps reignite embers into infernos by honoring her autonomy while stoking desire. For the American dreamer, rejected one too many times, this is empowerment. Not chasing, but becoming the gravitational force she orbits. Hearts don't beg lightly. They surrender to those who mastered the art of sweet withdrawal. In the end, when she reaches out, eyes soft with unspoken yearning, you'll know absence didn't just make the heart grow fonder, it made it yours forever. This emotional odyssey, drawn from timeless psychology, reminds us love thrives in tension's embrace. Deploy these with authenticity and watch indifference melt into madness. Her text will come like lifelines, her voice trembling with need. You've not tricked her. You've awakened what slumbers in every soul, the primal pull toward the one who makes the world brighter by stepping away. In America's endless pursuit of connection, this is your secret weapon. Wield it and let her miss you like crazy.